here I was holding my investments for 5 years, but they grew up only by 20%. And then there was this one stock that went up by 50% in just a single day. So after that, I told myself I really need to study the stock market.
Hi, I'm Philip Teo, your host for Online Trading Summit, and I'm excited to introduce to you Joseph Aquino, our presenter for this session. Joseph has been a full-time equities trader and independent portfolio manager since 2015, before establishing Masino Trading in 2018. Since then, he has mentored and coached more than 400 plus students over the years, some of whom have become full-time traders themselves. Joseph also frequently engages in speaking opportunities to talk about stock trading all over Philippines, Singapore, and the Middle East. He also competed in the Investor Cup trading competition, finishing in the top 10 out of thousands of Filipino traders.
In order to become a consistently profitable trader, I personally believe in, you need to have these things. One would be you have a trading edge. It could be any kind of edge as long as it has a positive expectancy. What do I mean by that? Okay, sometimes people talk about, hey, my edge or my system is better than yours. Okay, this is better than yours, but it doesn't have to be the case. Okay? As long as an edge is working, as long as there's a positive expectancy, whether you're a fundamentalist, a hybrid, if you're a technicalist, it will actually work. Okay? What you need would be the other things. Okay? You need to have the proper mindset and psychology. Why do you need to do this? Okay? It will actually make you become a stable trader. So you need to know, like, how do you actually think for a trade? How do you actually react to the market? Okay? But at the same time, it doesn't actually work with just these two things. Okay? You can actually have an edge, you can actually have the mindset and psychology, you can be profitable but not consistent. So what actually drives consistency? For me, consistency comes from having consistent actions, which can actually be driven by your process and your methodology. Other than this, you can have your risk management, your journaling, and other areas of your trading.
But a journaling process is going to be something that requires a lot of feedback and a lot of deliberate attempt to actually improve upon it. So therefore, journaling is something that I realize many traders simply do not have the discipline to do that. So do you have any suggestions in terms of, even for people who are very desired, is there any way that they can trick their mind into be very disciplined in this journaling process?
Thanks for the question, Philip. So my advice would be just start. You can actually customize journaling process. So I actually encountered that problem as well. There was this moment in time when I was too lazy to follow the journaling because the journaling style that I saw was very tedious. When I saw that it was very tedious, I tried to avoid it. But what happened was that I tried to just pick the things that I think would be relevant to me and then work from there. So what I mean would be, journaling process can actually be very personalized and customized to a way that it wouldn't be very tedious to you. The point is, start tracking data with form and structure, and then just add on along the way.